Hey iQOO fans, I've got some exciting news for you today. The iQOO Z9 Turbo Plus is on the horizon, and it's bringing some serious power with it. Let's dive right into what we know about this upcoming beast. So, earlier this year, iQOO unveiled the iQOO Neo 9S Pro, featuring the all-new Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset. It launched with a starting price of 2,699 yuan, which is roughly $375. Now, recent reports suggest that iQOO is gearing up to release the Z9 Turbo, also equipped with the same powerful Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset. Given that it's part of the Z series, we're expecting it to be priced around 2,000 yuan, or about $280 in China. The Z9 Turbo Plus has just been approved by the MIIT regulatory body in China, which means its launch is imminent. But here's where things get really interesting. There's a possibility that the iQOO Z9 Turbo Plus could be quite similar to the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 powered iQOO Z9 Turbo. That phone debuted in April in China with a price tag of 1,999 yuan, about $280. According to leaks, the Z9 Turbo Plus will feature a flat OLED screen with a 1.5K resolution and an in-screen fingerprint sensor. And of course, it's powered by the Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset, which is expected to pack a punch. This device is rumored to have a massive 6000 mAh battery, ensuring you get plenty of juice throughout the day. The rest of the specs are still under wraps, but if it's anything like the Z9 Turbo, we're in for a treat. To give you a quick refresher, the Z9 Turbo features a 6.78-inch flat OLED panel with a 1.5K resolution and a buttery smooth 144Hz refresh rate. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 chipset, with LPDDR5X RAM, UFS 4.0 storage, and a 6000 mAh battery that supports 80W fast charging. The camera setup includes a 16-megapixel front camera and a dual camera system on the back with a 50-megapixel main sensor and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens. Now, if the Z9 Turbo Plus shares these features, but with the enhanced Dimensity 9300 Plus, it's going to be a powerhouse that's hard to beat. I'm personally excited to see how it stacks up in real-world performance and battery life tests. So there you have it, folks. The iQOO Z9 Turbo Plus is shaping up to be a formidable contender in the mid-range smartphone market, with top-notch specs and an attractive price point. As always, I'll keep you updated with the latest news and reviews as we get closer to the official launch. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Catch you in the next one.